Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday to all of you. Just wanted to check in to ensure everybody was on the right track here to end the careers portion of the course, which ends Sunday by 11:59 p.m. so we can promptly begin civics, which I'm hoping to start bright and early Monday morning. With that said, you should be focused in on this announcement here with another video that I created for you, with the detailed message as to what you should have completed by this Sunday by 11:59 p.m. Notice you have an assignment due tonight, and I believe a discussion due tonight. So please ensure that you are on top of that, so you aren't falling behind, because everyone is doing a very good job handing in their work and participating in the discussion forums. So please follow along the upcoming events. So for example, tonight you should have everything in the Unit 3 checklist pretty well done. The Unit 3 Activity 1 Resilient Person assignment is due tonight. And then a correction on my end, I gave you until Sunday to complete your discussions. That way you had a little bit of time to catch up. Most importantly, though, you need to make sure that you hand in your ISU, which is 25% of your mark. So that's under Unit 4, Culminating Activity. You have your learning goals, success criteria, and the instructions. Essentially, you're putting together a little portfolio with work that you've accumulated over the course of this 2 weeks. And then you are going to take a look at items A through E and make sure you complete these, okay? And then finally, you are providing me with a personal reflection. Now, this should all be in one document, PDF, slideshow, however you want to present it, is all up to you. And then you submit all of this as your ISU, which is 25% of your mark. So again, make sure that you are following along with this last week of careers announcement, the upcoming events, the checklist, making sure you're on pace to finish the course, and then we're going to start civics bright and early Monday. Thanks. Have a good weekend.